Now we can do an item that only 36% of the people got right when they took it on an official GRE test. We're given a triangle at the top. It has 45 degrees at the lower left at point A, and an angle of 60 degrees in the lower right at point C, and line BC is 2. And we also see a line drop down from point B that's perpendicular to the base. We're asked to compare two quantities. Quantity A is the length of line segment AC, and quantity B is 3. AC is the base of the triangle, but we can divide it up into two smaller triangles. We can notice that since we have a right angle and 60 degrees in our right triangle, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We should memorize the ratio of those sides because this is one of the favorite triangles on the GRE. The bottom line opposite the 30 degrees has a length of 1, and the line below B that's a right angle has a ratio of √3, and the long side BC has 2. So we should remember that ratio of 1, square root of 3, and 2. Now we can look at the triangle on the left-hand side. Since we have 90 degrees and 45 degrees, the other angle is 45 degrees, and that means that the line below B and the line from A to that right angle are the same length. Since we've already discovered that the line below B has a √3 length, we know that the bottom of the triangle also has a length of √3. Now we're ready to add those two lengths to find how long AC is. √3 plus 1. That means that √3 plus 1 is what quantity A is. And we can approximate. √3 is about 1.7. So quantity A is about 1.7 plus 1. And quantity B is 3. 3 is larger, so quantity B is larger, and that means that our correct answer is B. But now we can look at the triangle and realize because it's a quantity A and quantity B comparison, we don't even have to be that exact to find the right answer. We're still looking for the bottom line of AC, but since we know that we have a right angle below B, and since we know that BC is 2, that line dropping down from B is going to be less than 2. Since the left-hand triangle is still a 45, 45, 90 triangle, we know that the line drop down from B is less than 2, so that means that the line from A to the right angle is also less than 2. If we still remember the ratio of our sides from a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the line on the right is actually 1, so we can add less than 2 plus 1. That's what quantity A is. Less than 2 plus 1 is less than 3, which is what quantity B is, and so again, quantity B is larger, and our right answer is B. Testing for the public. Nonprofit since 1985. No one makes things easier.